Alright guys, I'm on the game with no sound. Mystical Unicorn, 10 free spins. Playing 2 cent, $4 is the bet. Let's see what we get.
Sodas, cocktails.
We definitely are looking for a good start. We'll take a retrigger even. Come on, we need a connection. Maybe can we get a retrigger? No retrigger, that's okay. I was gonna say, can we get them? They flew by, they didn't come back. Got 3 spins left. Let's go. We got a super big win. Not bad. Not bad. I apologize, no sound. This comes from the people who have beat these poor machines and they smack them and punch the screens, and before you know it, these good speakers are gone. In the older games, it's hard for them to, they don't like to really invest in fixing it back. Not bad. It's 414.72. That was the last spin too, I do believe. It sure was. I thought I had more games. I wasn't even paying attention. You got Music Man 9231. We are asking for you to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for stopping by, guys.